everyone, I'm Jessica Cao from Ray White Up North Shore. 大家好，我是 Ray White Up North Shore 的 Jessica Cao. Welcome to 47A Bent Street, Lindfield. This house provides relaxed living in a special and tranquil setting, and it is only 700 meters from the station and shops. Sitting on a large 1,150 square meter block, this home has been thoughtfully designed to commune with its lush rainforest surrounds with galleries of glass framing the vistas. Completely private from the street, this is a property that the entire family will fall in love with. Soaring ceilings and a clever split-level floor plan accentuate the space, while its flexible areas can be customized for family life. All 5 bedrooms are spacious, with the option of a 5th bedroom or a home office or an ideal teen retreat. It also features a chef's kitchen with stone bench tops, large freestanding European cooker with gas cooktop. The free-flowing haven enjoys stylish contemporary appointments, opening out to decks, a terrace, rear lawns, and simply beautiful surrounds that make you feel like you're at a tropical holiday retreat. When it's time to leave, it rests within walking distance of the rail, Lindfield Village, bus, and Lindfield Public School. It is in Kilara High School catchment as well. Thanks for watching. I look forward to seeing you at our next inspection. 谢谢观看，我期待您的光临。